When I started to run my business, the first machines, sewing machines, was Dürkopp.
My first machine was a Dürkopp Adler. I learned on a Dürkopp Adler, and in every production I go in, there are Dürkopp Adler machines.
You really need to be precise, and you need, in order to be effective, a really good tool.
My name is Bettina Brese. I'm the CEO of the BKTex SRL, and we are based in Romania. Our factory is in Svento Gheorghe, and we produce here a lot of bags. We produce trousers for workwear and some different other parts like belts and straps for exoskeleton components.
The challenge here in the production is the speediness and the quality of the product. And this is my main task I have to take care of. For the future, I hope we get more smart machines, so we can look right now what is the problem of the machine, because we can get the informations on our computer.
There are three important factors in our production. The first one is the person. The second one is the machine. The third one is how we are organized. And with the person, that we can work. But machine and how we are organized, that is the part where Dürkopp Adler comes in game, with their machines and with their follow-up production planning and follow-up system QONDAC. We choose QONDAC because it's the one that gives us the most opportunity and the wide range to use it in everything that has to do with the production. Yeah, for sure it will be something very good. It will help us to raise our productivity.
We have put there in television in the lines, so the employers and the team leaders can see if there is a problem with the quantities in the different lines. So they can change the employees to go in the other line, and so they can make the line balancing better with this QONDAC system.
The benefit with QONDAC is especially we can reduce the time for the production lines. We can balancing the production, and especially with factory control, you can take a look at the chart. 50% is ready from this, and so you can evaluate how many times you need to send out the goods.
We are one of the first that are implementing this project in a classical sewing factory. So a factory that is sewing clothing, not necessarily working only with automatic machines and everything is automated.
We want to save energy, we want to save time, and we want to make all the employees bring in the same situation, that they can change all working places and have all information about the workmanship that they had to do.
The system is very good that leave us to plan it as we work, not as the system work. So the system let us to be free to continue with our organization. And in the same time, the workers can see in real time what they are doing, if they are in the time that it was established that they need to do, or oops, that one is red, I need to bring it to green.
For me, is Dürkopp one of the best machine supplier because they have a big structure of sales departments, also in Romania and in Bielefeld. And if we need a special kind of machine for special sewing option, they bring us good ideas and help us to make the best way in our production line.
For the future, I want to prepare everything so that we can use the QONDAC system on the machines, and the employer knows what she has to do. And this is much work, I know, but it's also very interesting, and this is a little passion for me to make this, to prepare everything and see what the result is, and then think, so, wow, super.
The standing of the machines and lifeline are very long, and you get always spare parts. You can take a look on the website and you find also for the old machines all information that you need to find the right spare parts. And for me is Dürkopp the best sewing machine that I can get in the market.